and welcome my friends to my YouTube channel, Philippospan. Weekly tips and tricks on how to work with Microsoft Office applications. Today's video will be about Microsoft Outlook.
How to recall a message that was sent in Microsoft Outlook. In Microsoft Outlook, we can recall a message that is sent where it is retrieved from the mailboxes of the recipients who haven't opened it yet. We can also use a substitute message as a replacement. For the recall feature to work, the recipients and ourselves must be all on Microsoft Exchange or Microsoft 365 and within the same organization. We must locate and select the message that we have already sent. That is why we need to select and open the Sent Items folder. Once we have located it and selected it, we must open the Sent Mail message and then select the File tab to move to Backstage View. Once in Backstage View, we make sure that the Info category is selected from the left of the menu. We then locate the area in the middle of the menu named Message Resend and Recall, where we can resend this email message or attempt to recall it from recipients. If we select the Resend or Recall command, the drop-down menu will appear where we can recall this message, delete or replace a sent message, resend this message, send the message again with the option to update content or change recipients. Once we select the command recall this message, the recall this message dialog box appears notifying us. Some recipients may have already read this message. The message recall can delete or replace copies of this message in recipient inboxes if they have not yet read this message. We have two options to select from: delete unread copies of this message and delete unread copies and replace them with a new message. Finally, we can activate the checkbox at the left of the command, tell me if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient. Whatever we select, we must press the OK button to proceed. Once we press the OK, an informational message appears at the top of our message informing us that we tried to recall this message on a specific date. If we select the Resend this message, the same email message will appear where we can change the recipients of the mail or update the content.
Thank you all for watching. If you have enjoyed what you saw in this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free and let me know by heading down to the comment section.